Hey guys, so I wanted to come show you guys my chicken soup for the soul recipe. I really hope that you guys enjoy it. It is delicious and hearty and filling, and it's actually pretty affordable. You can make a very large pot of it. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start off by simmering, or actually cooking, some of this Aldi Kirkwood grilled chicken breast in a pot with some water and a little bit of butter. And this is the type of butter that I use. It is soy-free and vegan and non-GMO, and I love that one. Then we're going to take some frozen mushrooms. You can also use fresh. I just like to buy lots of mushrooms and freeze them to keep them longer. We're also going to use this Kettle and Fire keto bone broth, broccoli, and cheddar soup as the base. Oh my God, it's going to be so delicious, so healthy, and it's going to give it a really nice flavor and lots of nutrients and vitamins. We're also going to use 1 whole chopped red pepper and 1/4 of a chopped red onion. Now we're going to add the frozen mushrooms to our chicken mixture. And we're actually going to let that cook for about 8 minutes, almost 10, depending on how soft you want your mushrooms. And because mine are frozen, I'm going to let them sit. Now that they are cooked, I'm going to add my red pepper and my diced onion. And also about 2 tablespoons or 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mine's from Trader Joe's. And then we're just going to mix that in. Now we're going to add crushed red pepper flakes, garlic powder, lots of it, and some salt-free seasoning. You can be super generous with this. We're also going to add tons of nooch or nutritional yeast. Now we're going to add 1 to 2 cups of water, depending on how much you're making. And we're going to stir that and let that simmer down, probably about 15 minutes. Now that all of that is simmered, we're going to go ahead and add our base. This is the broccoli and cheese Kettle and Fire bone broth base. And we're just going to add all of that, and we're going to put a little water into the pack to make sure we get all of the flavor out. Now we're just going to go in and stir it up and let that come to a boil. Now that our soup is boiling, we're going to go ahead and add 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of flax seeds. You can add more or less depending on how thick you want your soup. I wanted mine kind of medium thickness, so I just did about 1 tablespoon to 1.5 tablespoons. And we're just going to mix that in of ground flax seeds. 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. And you're just going to mix and let it come to a boil and let it simmer for about another 10 minutes. Now it's time to plate up. You can definitely have this by itself, but I like to serve mine with rice. So I just made some plain white rice. And now we're going to serve up our soup, and look how delicious and filling it looks. I like to top mine off with some dry cilantro leaves. You can definitely use fresh, and parsley as well. And that is it. Super easy and nutritious. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you do decide to try it, let me know down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy. Bye.